All right. Today, we are going to be opening 12 boxes of Fabled. Okay? Not only that, but we are going to be giving away the content of what we get to you all. I'm going to be hosting a number of giveaways today, and it is my sincere hope that we are able to give a lot of folks some really cool stuff. We are going to get into it. Now, let's look at the things we have to give away, Chad. I have to look over here, and let's go to the big giveaway list, okay? Folks, it is a huge giveaway list, all right? Let's just take a look at it. It's time. I'm reaching to the side here. I see 12 booster boxes of Fabled. Look at this beautiful mat. This is a play mat from Fabled, folks. Here it is. Bringing it onto this camera, and now onto this camera, chat. Here she is. The first booster box we are going to open of Disney Lorcana Fabled. A rare. Second rare, another return from the first chapter. Cusco, Templeman or Emperor. What do we get for our foil? Our first is a foil rare. Mouse is phenomenal, chat. It's phenomenal. I'm happy to see this here. And we have a foil super rare as well, chat. Genie of the Lamb. Super rare. Oh, and our first new rare here. Not our first new rare, but one of my favorite rares. Eye to Eye. A song that has been introduced here. Chat, we have our first legendary. A returning legendary. John Silver Alien Pirate was first released in the first chapter. We love the art. We love the new art setup. And I love the new legendary symbol down here. All right, Ariel, Adventurous Collector. Legendary, maleficent, monstrous dragon. Look at her. Queen status. We can't. What we are going to do is get 2 Aurora Dreaming Guardians back-to-back packs. That's pretty cool. And okay. Well, chat. We have a foil legendary Mickey Mouse. Rares. One last hope. Oh, we got another legendary. Oh my gosh. A rare power line. The first rare power line we've seen. Super rare Genie. Now let's see what our foil is. Chat, it's our next iconic. Not iconic, it's our next epic. God, imagine if it wasn't iconic. It's our next epic, chat. It's an epic. Another one. I think there can only be 2 per box. So I think this is it for our luck. We've been so lucky. Elsa. Look at her. Look at her, chat. She's beautiful. For our rares, we have Shere Khan. Oh my gosh, chat. Legendary. Scar. Finally King. We start off with a super rare, chat, which means that something behind this is either a super rare or a legendary. It's legendary. And it's Robin Hood, champion of Sherwood, chat. Man, our rares start off with Moana. Immediately into another legendary, chat. Hades. Next we have Grand Pabby, followed by a super rare Mulan Elite Archer. Whoa! And we get an epic. We get an epic next. The epic Cusco, Wanted Llama. Rares begin with Robin Hood. Then we get another legendary. It's Maleficent, Monstrous Dragon. Followed by the Queen. You've got to be kidding me. What is happening? What is happening? We got a foil legendary. We then move to Peter Pan's shadow. And we end. We have another epic card. Our rares are kicked off with Cursed Merfolk. We have another legendary card. Bam. Box number 3, chat. Let's ride. Bruno's Return. Our rares kicked off with Mama Odie, followed by Alice Growing Girl. Good Lord, guys. Well, Stitch, Alien Dancer. Rares led off with Goofy. First legendary of box 3, everybody. It is a Robin Hood, Champion of Sherwood. First, we have the Magic Feather. Oh, no way! 2 legendaries back to back? Chat! Elsa, Spirit of Winter. Our rares start with Winnie the Pooh, having a think. And then we get a legendary. Max Goof, everybody. Max Goof. There it is, chat. Cursed Merfolk for the love. Well, I mean, okay, sure. Yeah, sure. That sounds good. Cursed Merfolk. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, whoa. Aurora. It's so good, chat. By Kuzco, we have another rare. Eye to Eye. Stop it now. Stop it now, chat. Chat, what is happening today? Come on, bro. Anna braving the storm. Whoa, don't throw it. Maruski, we kick off our rares with Jazz. Jeez Louise, dude. What are we doing? Hey, Max, you showed up. You get Stitch. Winnie the Pooh. Jeez Louise, as soon as I say something. Oh my gosh, chat. I've got some really fun Pokemon Route music playing that you can probably hear a little bit in the background. I find in my Platinum. Jeez Louise, we're kicking it off with a super rare. And pack 1 ends with a legendary. Oh my gosh, chat. Lilo. Oh my gosh. We just got 3 super rares, chat. We just went with a Mulan super rare into a foil super rare Stitch, chat. Wow, chat. Is there such a thing as a God pack like in Pokemon? Yeah, it would be. I think a God pack here would be. There have been packs that have had double legendaries. I've never had a double legendary pack, but I've heard tell that there's a double legendary pack. So a God pack in Lorcana would be a double legendary into an Enchanted. Even more God pack would be a double legendary into an Iconic. Our rare is Dinner Bell followed by a legendary. That's wild. Legendary Hades, folks. Holy cow, guys. A legendary Hades. And what do we have for our foil? No shot. No shot. Foil Stitch, Carefree Surfer. Our rares are Ariel. Jeez Louise. The Circle of Life, legendary. Our rares start off with the Queen. Folks, we got a legendary again. Who's it going to be? Cruella de Vil. Chat, Legendary Cruella de Vil. Ending with Dewey. Oh my gosh. Last pack luck, chat. Last pack luck. Dumbo, ninth wonder of the universe. Does that mean? Oh my God. No way. No way. No way. Scar. We end with a double enchanted pack. Scar. Okay, good. Phew. How many enchanted? We've had no enchanted yet. We've had some iconics, but no enchanted. Beginning our rares with, geez Louise, with Maui. Guys, we have Elsa, Spirit of Winter as a legendary. Look at that, chat. Legendary Elsa. That's nuts. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Hey, we have another epic Cusco, everybody. Super rare Mulan. Get out of town. What are we doing? Chat, you want to stand out? Goodness gracious. Is Max in the chat? Olaf. Rare, start with Rafiki. Jeez Louise. We got ourselves a legendary, folks. Legendary Max Goof. We start with a rare Captain Hook. And of course, we have a legendary there. Why wouldn't we, chat? Why wouldn't we? Legendary Cruella de Vil. Here it is, chat. The 7th box of Fabled from Disney Lorcana. The mob, jeez Louise, y'all. It just fell out. What are we doing here? We got a rare Shere Khan, and then this guy showed up for the party. Under the Sea. Simba. Get out of town. Chat, do I just say it after every pack? Do I just say it after every pack? Do I just say that we're overall luck? Or is that not genuine? Do you think the cards know? Oh my gosh! Epic, be king undisputed. Rare, start off with Ariel. We have a super rare Genie. Get the fork out of here. Get out of here. That is a foil enchanted, I'm not enchanted, foil legendary Hades. The Queen is a rare. Legendary John Silver. Starting off with Max Goof as a rare. What? Circle of Life. Legendary. Back-to-back legendaries. That's cool. Oh, cool. Let's just end it with a foil rare for fun. One Last Hope. Lilo. Shut up. Whoa. Okay, so we've opened an Enchanted. This is the Enchanted Beast, Gracious Prince. Our rare is Heart of Tefiti. You absolutely stop it. Legendary Hades. Let me get it. Let's go ahead and get Get an Aurora here. Goodness gracious. Oh, okay, another legendary, chat. John Silver, everybody. What? No way! What is happening? A foil circle. I'm literally shaking. A foil circle of life. Look at how beautiful that artwork is, chat, with the foil. That goes here. Followed by Jasmine. Get out of town. Get. Shere Khan. Whoop. Strength of a Raging Fire. Neat. Look at that. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Look what's under there. Yeah, that's a shiny. Oh, whoa. Max Goof, everybody. What the heck? Let's see what it is. Wow. And our foil is Donald Duck. Platinum. Family Fishing. Holy cow. Family Fishing Pole. Hades, Lord of the Dead. How can I have you? Our rare is Prince Philip. Hey, look at that symbol. That's pretty cool. That's a Robin Hood, everybody. You got it. Thank you so much for sticking around for as long as you have. I really, really appreciate you, as Nikito. Thank you so much. Song. One Last Hope. Oh! Man, I went too fast. I've lost my touch. Wow, these all did stay in order. Stein. What? Signed contract. No shot. No shot. Oh. Okay, these are the ones that got out of order. Oh my God. Chat. Oh. Nala kicks off our rares. Bell, Untrained Mystic. Oh. Folks, here we go. Whoa. Lantern, followed by no shot. We have a foil legendary. Oh. Huey. Whoa. Legendary Max Goof, everybody. 3 more boxes, everyone. Kicking it off with Goofy. Yep, spoke too soon. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, Legendary Maleficent. Our super rare is Genie. Oh. And we have another epic art card, Baby Pegasus. Look at how cute he is. Pluto. And a legendary Circle of Life, folks. John, Alice Accidentally Adrift, and then we have a legendary Hades Infernal Schemer. For nearly 6 hours today, chat. 2 boxes remain. First rare is One Last Hope. Oh my goodness. We have a legendary Dumbo. Robin Hood, rare Simba. You know what? Cool. Legendary Scar. Oops. Oopsies. Ursula Shell Necklace to start off our You've Got to Be Kidding Me. Rare. And then a legendary Circle of Life again is the second star to the right. We then have Prince Philip. And we have another epic art card, Baby Pegasus. Oh my goodness, he is so freaking cute. It's been a long day. nearly 6 hours of opening up cards. Let's end it strong, shall we? First rare is the Queen. Then we have a legendary Max Goof. Under the Sea for our first rare. Oh, and we have another legendary! Elsa Spirit of Winter coming back again. Have we pulled like 4 Elsa Spirit of Winters? Jasmine for our first rare. Oh my gosh. Dumbo as our legendary, chat. Hold on. There we go. Look at how cute he is. No way. No way. Alice, accidentally adrift, epic. I find him, I flatten him. Mickey Mouse, brave little prince. What else do we get? Cruella de Vil. This is a double legendary pack, chat. I just want you to know how much I appreciate you. Thank you for hanging out with me all day today as we cracked 288 packs. That's 3,456 cards. I'm so happy that I got to give a ton of them away. And maybe, just maybe, when this turns into a YouTube video, we'll give some more away there too. But until then, bye-bye.